ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yanka, your Christian fitness trainer, prayer warrior, and vegan nutrition specialist. And today I'm sharing about making your own toothpaste. You're much better off. So let me just share with you first just what's typically found in toothpastes. I did a video maybe about a year ago about this, but I'm going to just go a little bit deeper because I don't think I just told you. I told you a few things, but I'm going to just go a little bit more in detail. So typically you find in most toothpastes, it's very common, fluoride, and that's touted like, you need that for strong teeth and all of that. But let me tell you, this fluoride can cause permanent tooth discoloration. It can cause stomach problems, skin rashes, and impairment with your glucose metabolism. And so, that's an ingredient that you do not need, and neither do you want in your body. Okay. There's triclosan. And now in 2016, this was banned from soaps, but it's still allowed in toothpaste. And what it is, it's a pesticide, and it's used as a antimicrobial agent in toothpastes. And it's supposed to fight plaque and gingivitis. But the problem with it is that it's linked to causing cancer. It weakens your heart. It causes endocrine issues and bone deformation. So you don't need that. There's also saccharin, which is one of those lab produced sugars. And we know like there's all sorts of problems with those things, like that's in equal and all those other lab sugars. But they are, closely linked to cancer. And then you have parabens, and it's used as a preservative in not only toothpastes and a lot of body products, but also in a lot of foods. And so that's also linked to cancer and reproductive issues. And that's just only 4 of the common things that you find in toothpastes. But there are plenty of more that you do not need to be putting in your body. And so, I was here making toothpaste for my sisters. We were talking yesterday. This is what it looks like. Hope you see it. But we were talking yesterday about, I was reading the message. We were talking about tooth sensitivity. And I said, well, I'll make you some toothpaste. So that's how I'm making this. And I said, well, let me show the ladies how to do it yourselves. But this only has between 4 and 5 ingredients. Like I make this for my family. And what it does, it gets rid of tooth sensitivity. It happened, with my kids. They like this toothpaste. And so all I use is baking soda, coconut oil, sometimes stevia, sometimes not. They prefer actually without it, but I make it for my sister, so I put a little stevia in it. And then it also has spearmint, or you can use peppermint oil. You use the one, one of the essential oils. Sea salt. And that's it. That's all that's in this. And all you do, I mash the coconut oil, because sometimes it has a little lumps in it. And you just mix it all together, and that's it. And you put it in a container, and you use it every day. So that's all, I use. And then you don't have all the issues, or the threat of these issues resulting from these chemicals that are not good for your body. So, give it a try. I'll link the recipe below. And I'll actually link the video that I did last year so you can have them both, because the recipe is written in that as well. But it's very easy to make. And like I said, it's a healthier option. We know coconut oil is antimicrobial in and of itself, and baking soda, cleans everything, and it helps to whiten your teeth and all that. So just, try it. Then essential oils are much better. And these things don't have side effects and, things that link to your linked to health issues. And there's a lot of stuff that you have around the house. So, get into a habit of using things that you already have, or stuff that's inexpensive that don't cause more problems in your body. So anyway, I hope this is helpful. Use it, share it. If you find this helpful, share it with somebody else who may need it and may need the education on this as well. And I would appreciate that. You can comment below with, well, what toothpaste do you use? And sometimes, you use so much stuff, we don't even, and then we have these issues and things you're not even linking, this could be causing this problem. And then anyway, you find these little lab-made sugars, they can cause anything from migraines to all kind of issues in your body. So just cut that stuff out, use these basic ingredients, and you'll be much healthier. And that's another way of taking care of your temple. So anyway, God bless. I love you. And I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye.